Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Hope everyone is doing well. So I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah. So after a long time, I opened the camera for making a video only for you. So now I'm at my home, and whenever I stay my home, most of the time I try to spend all the time at my home. I never go out without any reason. So today I got a chance to go out because of suddenly I noticed that my notebook has finished. So for buying my notebook, I go out and I went to a market and I bought it. So in the meantime, I thought that actually I should go to my famous place, my favorite place, and show with my friends. Okay, so that's why I came to my favorite place. So this is my favorite place. You can see here. When I stay my home and when I feel bad, when I get leisure time, I must try to come here. And when I come here, that time I feel good. My all monotonies, my all badness will be automatically gone. So you can see here, it's one kind of river. It's called Dhorla River. So it's the famous river of Kurigram. So it is connected with all the big rivers in Bangladesh. So now you can see it's weeded. It's dry because of lack of water. And beside that you can see there is a boat. It is made of wood. So in village area, it's really famous boat. In village area or in our city, this type of boat is really famous. And I have got in more than 10 to 20 times in this boat or in this type of boat. So the experience was amazing. If you get time, you should enjoy this type of boat by using this type of boat. So it's really amazing. And now in this video I will share with you two stories which were happened with me, and it was really funny story. I believe that after hearing this story you must laugh. Okay, so let's jump into the story. The first story was happened here. The first story was happened here. Actually, maybe before 1 year ago, I came here with my friend, one of my friend, and we were sitting here. I knew him very well because he was my college friend. He was my school friend as well as he was my childhood friends. I can say. So I know him very well. He's also introvert person like me. So I gave him a challenge. Like, will you take a challenge? He told me, yeah, of course. What type of challenge? I told him that you can see there is a girl. There is a girl. He's coming. He's looking at us and he's walking at us. So if I give you challenge that you have to talk with him and you have to convince him, and you have to think that so that he can laugh. Okay, he must have to laugh, she must have to laugh. So he told me, okay, it's a simple matter, but if I do this, what will you give me, what will I give from you? So I told him that, okay, if you want to do this and if you win, that time I will treat you, I will treat you. Okay, whatever you want, I will treat you. So he accepted the challenge, and I thought that it's impossible for him because I know him very well. He's my childhood friend and he's also introvert like me. I never talk with any kind of unknown girls in my life, seriously, because when I try to talk with any girls, I feel shy. Oh my god, my knee will be shaking. So it's a common reason. So I just thought that it's not possible for him. So when the girl was coming here beside us, that time he was calling her and I was shocked. Oh my god, he's calling her. He was calling her. It's really a horrible thing for me. So after calling her, the girl went to us, and my friend told her that you look so beautiful. I never seen a girl like you, so amazing, so amazing. Oh my god, after hearing this, the girl was shocked and he was one kind of, he was numb, like boba, he was dumb, and he was looking like that. After sometimes he was smiling. So oh my god, I was also shocked, and I told I told her that, sister, actually it was fun. Actually he took a challenge from me and he win it, and that girl was going that time. So it was a great funniest moment of my life, that my friend, I didn't completed, I didn't complete this type of thing, but my friend were able to do this type of thing. So for this reason I was proud of him. And the another thing is, it was happened in Dhaka. It was happened in Dhaka. uh, all of a sudden we thought that we should visit military museum. So we talked and we decided to visit military museum. So we visited. After visiting military museum, when we will coming back to our home, that time two of my friends, they are talking to me that we shouldn't go right now, because besides military museum there is a great place, Jia Uddan. We can visit there. There are a lot of guards. If you go one time you will be shocked, so let's visit there, we shouldn't miss this type of opportunity. So I agreed with them and I went with them. Okay, so in the meantime, you know that we are going beside Sangsad Bhavan. So you know that behind Sangsad Bhavan there is a great big motorway, and beside motorway there was a footpath. So you're walking in the footpath. So in the meantime, my friend, both were hujur without me, except me. So we are talking about girls. You know that when most of the friends will stay each other, that time we always try to think about girls, like oh my god, they are making relationship, how they are making relationship, are we looking bad, we're looking so beautiful, but why we can't make any kind of relationship with girls. So it's our fault maybe, like that. So in the meantime, Huzur was telling that you can't, but I can. If I want, I can make any kind of relationship anytime. So in the meantime, I told him that, so you can take a challenge. So he told us what type of challenge. I told him that, you can see there are two girls, they are standing here, maybe they are looking to us. I don't know, but they are looking to us, I noticed that. So I told him that, just think, you don't know about our way. We lost our way. Now we have to go back to Mirpur 2. Now how will you go Mirpur 2? We don't know. You have to go to them and you have to ask them, and you have to find out the way. So he agreed, and directly he was a hujur. Just think, he was a hujur, and he went that girl, and beside that we stayed here. We stayed beside that, and he went to that girls, and after going there he just made a greetings, and he was talking in a smiling face, and he was talking that actually we lost our way, we have to go to Mirpur 2. How can we go, can you help us? He told us, yeah, of course, we are from also Mirpur, we stayed Mirpur, if you want you can go with us, we'll help you. Oh my god, we were shocked, and he was laughing, and he was turning back and looking at us. He was also laughing. So so yeah, I never thought that my hujur friend, he can also made a relationship, he can also talk with girls very smoothly, but I can't. It was my fault, as well as I think it's really good for me. So that was two story. Maybe I can't express properly in English because my English isn't good. I'm just learning. I'm learning. Inshallah, just pray for me, so that I can make my English better day by day, and I can get chance to practice. I never give up, and inshallah I'll pray for you, and see you in the next video. And you can see here, I want to show you something. So beside me there are also some girls. There are also some girls, they are looking at me when I was talking in English. So I was feeling shy, and I was feeling mumbling problem. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.